Hello again. Welcome to Twitch Academy. Today, we'll be discussing subscriptions. What are subscriptions? Well, a Twitch subscription is a paid program that allows viewers like you to not only support your favorite streamer, but to also unlock several benefits, such as ad-free viewing, emotes, and more. Let's dive into more details. To subscribe to a channel, click on the subscribe button on the right side of the follow button. The price for a subscription is $5 plus tax. Different regions may vary, and will have to be renewed every month. Once you click on the subscribe button, the same kind of alerts as following the stream may happen. Your name displayed on stream, and viewed as a latest subscriber, and a shout out from the streamer.
Yo! Loads of toads! Welcome to the jungle! Thanks for subscribing! Woo!
One big feature when subscribing are the messages that you can attach to your subscriptions. These messages may be read out either text-to-speech or from the streamer themselves.
Take a shorter workday, King. You earned it, homie.
On behalf of all streamers, please keep it within terms of service. Thank you very much. If you would like to subscribe for free, you will need to have an existing Amazon account and have it linked to your Twitch account. Details on how to complete this on a different episode. Once you have your Amazon account linked, there will be an option to subscribe free with what is called Twitch Prime. Take notice, you only have one Twitch Prime to use. It is a very special gesture and can be considered an honor to choose a specific streamer as your Twitch Prime subscriber. So be sure to choose wisely. As stated by Twitch, subscriptions are a great way to directly support the streamers you love and get great benefits too, which includes ad-free viewing, with limited exceptions, chat during subscriber-only mode, and not affected by chat slow mode, and watch subscriber streams. You also get to unlock a custom badge right next to your name, and you also get access to exclusive custom emotes made by the channel and get to use it anywhere on Twitch. There are additional tiers to subscribe that has a little bit more benefits with your purchase. Tier 2, which costs $9.99 plus tax, will unlock an exclusive emote made only for Tier 2 subscribers, and Tier 3, which costs $24.99, will unlock an additional exclusive emote. You also have the option to gift subscriptions, whether it be a specific individual, anonymous, or to an entire group. You can gift up to 100 subscriptions to the community, Tier 1, 2, or 3. Gifting a sub will unlock a badge that will be displayed next to your name and can get you on the leaderboard for sub gifters. In conclusion, not only will subscribing support your favorite streamer, but can grant you opportunities to be more creative with the stream and to have more fun with the community. Well, that concludes today's lesson. Thank you for stopping by, everyone. Join me next time when we talk about how to chat and how you can stand out and become a chat leader. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see you again here on Twitch Academy.